Rotary greetings, ladies and gentlemen. I am Rotarian Dr. Monica Uppal and hereby presenting to you the first ever audio visual bulletin for the month of July Steel Wheel of Rotary Club of Jamshedpur West.
I am with Rotarian Ashok Jha, who has just taken over as president of Rotary Club Jamshedpur West. So, Jhaji, you please tell me, all these years we have been seeing this monthly bulletin
Yes.
in hard copy and soft copy. Why did you switch over to audio visual bulletin?
जूही जी, इनफैक्ट समय के साथ सब कुछ बदलता है और आज का युग जो है ऑडियो विजुअल का युग है और इसमें हमारे ख्याल से कुछ चेंजेज आना चाहिए। हमारे मेंबर्स को भी अच्छा लगेगा। ये नया बदलाव रोटरी स्टील व्हील बुलेटिन जब निकलेगा तो हमारे मेंबर जरूर एंजॉय करेंगे। थैंक यू।
In a grand and graceful ceremony held at Patna, Rotarian Namrata Nath was felicitated as the district governor for the year 2025-26. She unveiled her vision and committed her full support to all the clubs in the district. The Rotary year, under the leadership of immediate past president Rotarian Dr. Amit Mukherjee, was marked by the impactful community service initiatives. The Sundarban Ghodamara project was lauded as one of the most outstanding efforts of the year. The annual installation ceremony Karwa was held on 5th July at Hotel Ramada. Chief guest, Honorary Rotarian Mr. S.K. Behra, praised the club's dedication and congratulated the new leadership team. On 1st July 2025, a commendable green initiative of 750 saplings were planted in Patamda under the guidance and sponsorship of Rotarian Bikrant Tiwari, Director Environment. These samplings will be nurtured for the next 2 years to ensure their healthy growth and sustainability. One of RCJW's major upcoming initiatives is a state of the art mobile clinic for cancer detection, powered by a global grant from Rotary and supported by Meherbai Tata Memorial Hospital and various corporate partners. Let's now go to our special correspondent, Rotarian partner Anjani Sahai, who is in conversation with Rotarian Dr. Sujata Mitra, Director, Positive Health and NCD.
I am with Dr. Sujata Mitra, Director, Positive Health and NCD. Dr. Sujata, can you share with us your plan for the coming Rotary year?
इस साल क्योंकि 4 डॉक्टर्स इंडक्ट हुए हैं इन आवर क्लब, वी आर गोइंग टू बी अ प्रिटी स्ट्रॉन्ग टीम. So we have Rotarian Varsha Gandhi, Rotarian Dr. Sunitra Gandhi, Dr. K.M. Gandhi, Dr. Sushil Bajoria, Dr. Amit Mukherjee, so many of them already contributing together with Rotarian Madhulika Sabarwal as well as Rotarian Rishi Chandrani. With this, the new Rotarians like Rotarian Dr. Swati Singhal, Dr. Neelam Sinha, Dr. Rajiv Sharan and myself, and Dr. Vanita Pandey. So all of us together have planned something for the coming year. जो ongoing projects हैं जैसे anemia, thalassemia, HPV vaccine, cervical cancer awareness, ये सब तो होल इन द हार्ट, ये सब तो कंटिन्यू करेंगे ही. साथ में हमने कुछ इनिशिएटिव्स टुवर्ड्स होल्डिंग refraction checkups for school children as well as looking after the psychological health of children in school भी plan किया है. So we see a very exciting Rotary year ahead and with a lot of contribution from our team. Together with the camps, we also plan to systematize the process so that we have correct data and we have follow-up of these patients. So wish us the best and we look at good contribution from the team as well as from all of you to see us through this year. Thank you so much.
Rotary Club of Jamshedpur West successfully conducted a blood donation camp at Jamshedpur Blood Bank where over 67 units of blood were collected, especially for the patients suffering from thalassemia.
नमस्कार, मैं जमशेदपुर रोटरी क्लब वेस्ट के तरफ से प्रेसिडेंट अशोक झा हूँ। आज हम लोगों ने और नमन अग्रवाल ही इज़ आवर सेक्रेटरी, तो आवर फुल टीम ऑफ RCGW इज़ ऑर्गेनाइजिंग ए health initiative, blood donation camp at blood bank on 11th of July, and we are hoping this camp is for the thalassemia patients. We are donating blood, so all the members and well wishers are donating very nicely, coming here. Till now 25 registration has already been done, and hopefully we will be completed more than 100 for the thalassemia patient. We will be donating blood. After donating blood, we are giving to a token of appreciation with protein sachet and the food pack and a cap from the blood bank. We are donating them. Thank you very much.
A team of doctors and members of RCJW conducted a CPR training at Tata Nagar railway station very successfully under the leadership of Dr. Neelam Sinha and Dr. Rajiv Sharan. On 19th July 2025, a joint installation ceremony of 8 Interacts and 1 Rotaract Club of RCJW was held at Karim City College, Jamshedpur. कार्यक्रम का संचालन रोटेरियन अमित डे ने किया. President of RCJW, Rotarian Ashok Jha, welcomed the gathering.
The fellowship that defines our Rotary family. To our young leaders and members, I ask what change you want to create in the world.
PDG रोटेरियन प्रतिम बैनर्जी ने नई टीम को शपथ ग्रहण कराया.
Thank you. So I hereby declare you installed. Please give them a big hand.
असिस्टेंट गवर्नर रोटेरियन कुसुम ठाकुर ने बच्चों को छोटे बड़े सभी तरह के कल्याणकारी प्रोजेक्ट पर काम करने को कहा. चीफ गेस्ट डॉक्टर मोहम्मद रियाज, प्रिंसिपल करीम सिटी कॉलेज, motivated the youth to be connected with Rotary.
कि जितने भी बच्चे जो रोटरी क्लब ज्वाइन किए हो, उसमें जो सबसे पहला फायदा जो आपको होने वाला है, जो आपका अचीवमेंट, वो आपके अंदर लीडरशिप क्वालिटी आएगा.
Dr. Juhi Samarpita, New Generation Director, proposed the vote of thanks and congratulated the members of RCJW for excellent teamwork.
I extend my gratitude to all our newly installed Interact and Rotaract members. Congratulations to each one of you.
That brings us to the close of the month's edition of Steel Wheel, July. Stay tuned, stay inspired, and we'll see you again next month. Till then, this is Rotarian Dr. Monica Uppal signing off with warm Rotary greetings.